Hello, I'm Sion. Today I'm gonna play Superbox Siege Defense and finish Nightmare Mode. Since I am yapping, but I am gonna do a little thing. Finish hard mode. If the same guy is watching this, then shout out to you, I guess. I don't know what the freak does this guy even say. Explain it to me in the comments. Since only I'm gonna make a challenge, I'm gonna do not. I'll just skip for titaniums, no problem. Back to my titans first spin, I actually like it. Let's get back to something. Video right here just until I finish it. I'm so sick. Hard mode, sorry guys. Sorry, you cannot do hard mode. What Johnny happened? I do not even have a chance to sell it. Okay, fuck. Here's some perfect bonus ASMR. Ala. Sorry guys, it was just my mom telling me there's something just gonna find. So guys, my Supremo mega fans, I'm gonna play Superbox Siege Defense again. I'm not joining my ugly old friend again. It's because he's sad. I have the maximum power to collect all Titan batteries and and also I am gonna get the present just because. this part of me still random things. Where did it go? Benji. Hard mode and grinding points now, baby! You know, this video cannot lack sounds.